You still here? You liked my video last year, didn't you? With the makeup look for the summer. This is my new look for the summer. Alright. This is my new look for the summer. Y'all see my eyes? Y'all see my eyes? They taking over, aren't they? They hypnotizing you, aren't they? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Lex with another video. Lex with another video. I'm here with another video. I'm here with another video. Hey, I'm here with another. Okay, I'm here with another makeup tutorial. You guys, you know this look is giving already. I mean, I wouldn't leave if I were you. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It's simple. And when I'm telling you, like, most of my makeup is like very beginner friendly. It's very beginner friendly. It's very oily friendly, texture friendly. You guys, this makeup look is flawless. So if you want your skin to look like this, if you want your eyes to look like this, absolutely beautiful, make sure that you keep watching this video. But before I get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. God damn it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media platforms at Lexsa Marie. But after you do all those things, we're gonna hop right into this video. Alright, so as always, I am going to use my Neutrogena Hydra Boost sunscreen, and that is SPF 50. I have seen a major difference in my skin complexion the more I've been using sunscreen. Like, it's definitely evened out in comparison to last year around this time. And then I go in with my Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Primer. This just helps get rid of all my pores and give me more of a matte finish. Yeah, no, like, it's already, my skin is already looking good. But after that, you're gonna go in with some powder. I went in with my Revolution powder in the color Banana, and I just put this all over my face like a thin layer, just so if I have any oil on my skin, it will absorb it with the powder. Now I'm just going to be using my Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, like I do all the time, and I'm just going to be filling the end of my brows. A tip that I have for you guys is to just make sure that you blend out your eyebrows as much as you can. I usually go in with this crease brush by Real Techniques just to make sure that my brows are blended out. And then after this, I went in with my contour palette from Black Radiance, and I just used it to darken that area to give it more of a winged look. Again, it was pretty messy, but I like to go back in and clean things up. So as long as I had that brown color on the outer portion, I felt like, this was good. But I just, put it on generously all over. It's not real eyeshadow. It's just regular contour palette powder. So this is like, I guess, a hack per se. So if you don't know how to do eyeshadow, this is the perfect way to do it. So after I finish blending out this color, I'm just going to go in with my Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I know sometimes my foundations do come up a little bit different on my screen, but one thing you guys have to know, I try not to use barely any light. I want you guys to see how my skin looks in a regular lit space. And I don't have all this equipment like all these other YouTubers have to have perfect lighting. So sometimes it's going to look a little bit more orange, other times it's going to look a little bit more green. So you'll see in the final look when everything is complete how it looks in comparison to the rest of my body. But I just like to give that as a disclaimer because I know some people are like, girl, that does not match your skin. But like when you see me in person, it matches my skin. So I just wanted to let you guys know that sometimes with these videos, it can just come up completely different than how it looks in real life. Okay, so this was probably the hardest part. I used the eyeliner from NYX, and when I'm telling you, my hand, it is so steady on a canvas, but when it comes to my eyes, I just get so nervous, and that's probably why I barely use eyeliner. But I tried to take my time. As you can see, I did freehand winged liner, and I'm so proud of myself. So you see that I'm just making a thin line first, and then I'm going to go back in and thicken out the line. But I am doing my inner corners just a smidge to make sure that it's aligned, and then I'm going to do the outer corners. All right, so I was so proud of myself, the fact that I was able to do my own liner, guys. I don't know if you can see it on my face, but I was like, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. But then after that, I just went in to just contour a little bit more, like on my nose and everything, and just do some touch-ups on my face. But yeah, like I was like, okay, this is a good winged liner. So now that I line my lips with my MAC Chestnut lip liner, I'm going to go in with Cairo, I believe is the color, and just put that all over my lips. I just love this color. I feel like it's beautiful for a nude lip combination. And then I'm going to go in with my Notorious Fortune Cookie Butter Lip Gloss after I complete this look. So since I was trying to do my fox eye inspired makeup, I had to get comfortable with having my eyelash on my actual lid instead of my eyelid, if that makes sense. Like instead of my eye, my like mascara, not mascara, but you know, like my eyelash line, I had to put it on my actual eye to give it that look. So as you can see, I'm like using my eyeliner as a guide to lay down the lash, but it actually came out really nice. I was pretty surprised. So I did this on both sides and was able to get a more almond shape to my eye, a more thinner shape, and it was just something different. So now I'm going to go in with this setting spray from Revolution. This is their Hydrate and Fix. Apparently it has hydro something acid, girl, I don't even know. But apparently it's supposed to help with making sure my makeup looks flawless all day. Again, all the details will be in the description box, but look at this makeup look. It is so classy, so elegant, and just absolutely stunning. Okay everyone, so this is how the makeup look looks. Y'all know I don't do eyeliner, but I see what people say when they say I look like Megan, because now I'm starting to see the okay. But if you guys want to know more about this wig, I have a separate video talking about this wig, giving my full review. But as you can see, baby girl, like, it's gorgeous. This makeup look, I should have been doing eyeliner for a long time. As you guys saw, I was trying to place my mascara, or place my eyelash on my actual lid instead of my eye. So I think that's how I got this shape. I might cut my lashes next time just to make it look a little bit more sleek. But again, I feel like this does complement my eye shape. My eyes are still pretty big, but I feel like it kind of slimmed them out just a smidge. But I love this look. This is my own take on my fox eye look. I didn't want to do like what everyone else does. I feel like this is cute. But let me know how you guys like this look. I'm in love with it. Let me change the background so I can set the mood a little better. We're gonna make it purple. Oh yes. Oh yeah, this goes with me. Okay. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how the color looks. I like the background. This is looking way better. I lowered the lights so y'all can see my makeup look just a little bit more. But again, if you have any questions about the products that I used, you can either rewatch the video or check the links down below. I will try my best to link everything, but you know, I be forgetting stuff every now and then. But yeah, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!